the ultimate Southern plate gooey grilled cheese. Fried potatoes and onions is layered on this gooey grilled cheese. Add mayonnaise to the bottom side of the bread and use your favorite barbecue sauce on the top. Kick it up with diced jalapenos. Rich, nutty, flavorful Wisconsin Cheddar cheese is my choice for this sandwich. Slice your chicken horizontal and layer it with bacon. Top the bacon with creamy Wisconsin Havarti cheese. Next, layer on the fried potatoes and onions. Kick up those potatoes with another piece of Wisconsin creamy cheddar cheese. You must try this ultimate gooey Southern plate grilled cheese.